శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 851st డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 51st chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Janamejaya, Dhritarashtra Maharaju has been thinking about Pandavas and thinking about Pandavas stories. All those Pandava stories are beyond human beings. It's shocking and surprising stories. Because of that, now Dhritarashtra Maharaju's mind is restless, he is mad, he is filled up with so much of grief, he is worried. He is taking a deep breath and now saying to Sanjaya like this: Oh Sanjaya, whatever the gambling has been happened, with that such a huge destruction is going to happen. If I think about that, na ratrau na diva sutam shantim prapnoti vaikshanam. I am unable to get any peace in the day and night. Pandava's valor is something which is unimaginable, and their valor, their courage, their perseverance, their mutual understanding and affection, the brothers' mutual understanding and affection is beyond humans. And those Ashwini Devata's sons, Nakula Sahadevas, they are equal to Devendra, and they can kill the enemies from very far distance, and they are very much resolved in the fight. They can move their hands very speed, and they have such a huge amount of anger also. Their anger has a goal, and they always put their efforts. They have such a great amount of velocity. Those Nakula and Sahadevas, having Bhimarjuna leading, the Nakula Sahadeva can kill entire army. They roar like lions, and there is no one in our army who can face Nakula and Sahadeva. And they do not forget the insult that happened to Draupadi. O Sanjaya, now under the protection, under the guidance of Sri Krishna Paramatma, I feel Pandavas are definitely going to kill all my sons and definitely going to burn out the entire Kaurava army in the battle. Like that, Dhritarashtra expressing his worry, his fear to Sanjaya. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.